guys, I made this present for my mom, so I'm going to show it to her. Hey Mom, there you go. Look at this.
See, my son never makes me for Father's Day.
What is this? Mom, fun, smart, cool, kind, helpful, artistic, creative. I love you with the cherry on top of it. Ah, thank you so much, Bangari. From Livio to Mom.
What did you write, Loki? Oh, Loki, what did he write for you?
I
love you with a cherry on top. Oh, yeah. Cool, fun, mom, smart, helpful, creative, artistic, kind.
Yes, my son wished me.
Artistic.
That is not artistic, it is artistic. I put it here. This goes to my fridge.
Let's get lost. No, instead we put it here.
Thank you so much, Bangari. Thank you so much, Nana. Moni, give me that leg.
See, she's hugging those who call her mom. But she's not hugging the guy who made her mom.
Wait, what?
Yeah, she's hugging who calls her mom, but she's not hugging the guy who.
No.
See, Olivia, she is hugging the kids who call her mom only, okay? But she's not hugging the guy who made her mom.
Hey guys, ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಾಯಂದಿರಿಗೂ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದಾನೆ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಬಂದು ಎತ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಯಾಕಂತೇಳಿ ಎತ್ಕೊ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲಿವಿಯೋ ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕಾರ್ಡನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾದರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಫಾದರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಅಣ್ಣ ಮೋನಿ ಇಚ್ಚುಡು ಮೋನಿ ఎవరేసారు స్టిక్కర్ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕರ್ ಮೆಕ್ಸಿಕೋ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿನಮಗೆ ಅಂಟಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ಅಂಟಿಸಿದ್ದು? ಯಾರದು ಯಾರದು ಯಾರದು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಗೂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕರ್ಗಳು ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಅಂಟಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ. Only this much is enough. Go back.
Hey Mom, what are you doing?
We are cooking. What are you doing, Livio? What did you eat just now?
Ginger and honey.
Honey ginger.
Honey ginger. Why?
Because I'm sick.
No, you have a cough.
Yeah, it's technically cough is sick.
Yeah, when you wake up an empty stomach, if you eat little ginger with honey, it will reduce the cough.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like instant. Also, I'm preparing tea now. It is ginger tea.
So like try?
Yeah, I grated some ginger and I'm adding some tea powder in it.
Nice. Can I put it?
After a few minutes boil, we can put the milk. So it will
become like viscous and like
Yes.
smooth
yes.
in
It
the
is
mouth,
homemade
not
ginger
powdery.
tea. It is good for
Health.
cough and health. Yes.
Without any preservatives because
Yes.
we eat them fresh.
Do you know why homemade food is good?
Because they won't use chemicals. Because like, why do you think citizens would want to have like chemicals in their own food
See
that
here
they
we are
make?
boiling. Whatever we eat at home, we boil and we cook properly and we eat.
Yes.
So
like
and
they're
also
one-time
we
use.
eat and we finish it within a day.
Uh-huh.
So we don't need to store them.
Yes, we don't need to store it for long periods of time.
Yes. So that's why we don't use preservatives.
And besides,
Yes.
citizens aren't allowed, well, not much are allowed to have preservatives or chemicals.
Yes. What about store-bought one? They put so much chemicals and preservatives to stay for long life.
Like for about like a year.
Month or years it will come. That is why we need to eat less store products.
So hashtag don't shop, make. Don't shop, make.
Okay. You can buy, not all of the time. Okay.
Yes.
Like don't
You can-
addict to those food.
You can buy stuff that isn't really
Now I prepared hot rice. Look, hot rice.
nice. Wait, can
And
you
then-
open? See?
I made hot rice. and I made some gongura mutton.
Nice.
Since it is a Sunday, I prepared so we can have a good lunch, good
Nice.
dinner, good breakfast.
Yay.
ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿನ್ಲಿ ಅವರು. ಬಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ ತಿನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದೇ
Mom, she's having everything from the fridge.
ನಮ್ ವಿನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎತ್ಕೊತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದೀನಿ. ಫ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ ಲಿವಿಯೋ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ A to Z ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗೋದು ಕೂಡ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ನನಗೆ ನಮ್ ಲಿವಿಯೋ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಇದು.
Mom, can I pause? Since we've done with this side, you flip it over. Okay. Since we've already reached Friday, May 10th for kickball day. Friday was kickball day, so we're gonna move that out. We need to go to the other side. Dad, I need.
మొని మంచిగా పిలుస్తుంది దాదంట ఏంటి
No, it's not. Yeah, there's a tiny ghost. There's a flying blue dress. Hey, Mom, what are you doing now?
Now I'm preparing
For breakfast?
Yes.
Like you're taking out the food?
Yes.
Nice. Whoa. Editor, please play back a photo of how this tea looked like earlier. It's like completely dissolved and tea ready.
Yes, sir. I put little milk, half glass milk.
Like
And
it just went like tea minus 20, 19, 18.
ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾನೀಗ ಸಕ್ಕರೆನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ಕಾರಣ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬೆಲ್ಲನ ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಬೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಂಡೆ ಬೆಲ್ಲನ ಚೆಚ್ಚಿ ಈ ತರ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದೀನಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 15 ದಿನ ಆಯ್ತು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಟೀನೇ ಕುಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಟೀ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಬೆಲ್ಲನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ 15 ದಿನದಿಂದ ಸಕ್ಕರೆನ ತಿಂತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಕುಟ್ಟಿ ಪುಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀನಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 1-2 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಅಷ್ಟು.
Show me some of it. Can you show me it? Can you show it with the hand? Oh.
Wanna try taste?
Sure.
Taste a little bit.
Okay. I'm gonna do a taste test.
It's called jaggery in English.
Oh yeah.
In Kannada, bella. In Telugu, bellam.
Bellam.
Did you learn Telugu letters?
A little bit.
Can you repeat?
E, u. Yeah. I, ow, aha.
No. Oh.
E, oh. E.
Why are you wearing daddy shirt?
Just like to.
You like daddy shirt?
Minima, look at me. She likes it. Can you feed me some food? Mom, look at me. Alright, don't feed her. Huh? You like it, Vanilla?
Yes, I like it. ಸೊ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗಿಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಗೋಂಗೂರ ಮಟನ್, ಉಳಿ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಉಳಿ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಗೋಂಗೂರ ಅಂತ ತೆಲುಗಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೀದು. ಉಳಿ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇದು ಗೋಂಗೂರ ಅಂತ ತೆಲುಗಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಗೋಂಗೂರ ಮಟನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ.
That's tasty.
Tasty?
Mhm.
You know, if we eat outside food, it will be always tasty. Right, Moni?
Can I go extra fingers? Show in front of the camera. Right, move the other top. Move it around.
Nama, da. Winnie. ఇక్కడ రా కనిపించట్లే. లేదు నార్మల్గా తింటుంది డైవర్ట్ అయిపోయింది. ఇక్కడికి రా కనిపించట్లేదు. ఇక్కడ నేను ఇక్కడికి పిల్లను ఇక్కడికి కూర్చోపెట్టుకున్నాను కనిపించట్లేదు. అది చేసే తిట్టరు. విని
How are you doing?
I'm eating food.
Oh, nice.
Vinama.
Sorry, she got tired of it. I'll turn off the stove. Hey guys, did you know my mom really likes to store fruit here? These are exclusive mangoes, and these are our VIP mangoes, and those are our economy class oranges. And these are our extra VIP mangoes. They get to have an extra. They get a tiny bath inside the plane. Wait, is this the plane or not? Not joking around. The reason why the mangoes are in this water because when they come out of the mango tree Sona, they're a little bit acidic because they're a little bit sour. They still have a little bit of sap in them, so the water dries out the sap and leaves the very very sweet stuff behind. I can't wait to eat this. See you later. He also put this is also in here to keep it clean. Would come out of here. Also, you would break it off and then like that. It's
Show it again.
So we would squish it around, break off the stem, the remaining of the stem, and it's like a natural water bottle, but it's not really that durable.
So you'll get only juice, right? Except seed.
Yes. So then once you're done drinking it, you can take out the seed, eat the meat from the seed, then eat the meat from the skin. You can also eat the skin if you want. And then you can take the seed, plant it in the ground, get more mangoes for the future, and then do the same process over and over again. Okay guys, for collaboration, we have Eco Gals. They're Eco Shine dishwasher pods. Earth-friendly cleaner, concentrated cleaning detergent, sustainable packaging. So this is recycled packaging. And then, they look like this. Also, for some reason, they look like they're edible. Well, but you didn't want to eat that. Okay, so I'm gonna take one. How do I break this?
Oh, yeah, sticky.
Okay. I'm gonna put this in. And just shut it in here. And just
ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಮಕ್ಳು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೂ ಸುಧಾ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಟಿವಿ ನೋಡೋದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ತಿನ್ನೋದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಾರ್ ಸೀಟಲ್ಲೇ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್. ಅವಳು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬೇಬಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವನು ದೊಡ್ಡದ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕುತ್ಕೋತಾನೆ. ಏನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತಂತೆ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಆಂಕರ್ಗಳಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಇವನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಗೇಮ್ನ. ಅವಳೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಕುತ್ಕೋತಾಳೆ. ಹಂಗ್ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವಳೇ ಉಯ್ಯಾಲೆ ಆಡಿಸ್ಕೊತಾಳೆ ಅವಾಗ. ನೋಡಿ, ಆತರ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಂದು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳೆ. ಶೇಕೋದಿ ಚಲ್ ಚಲ್ ಗುರ್ರಾಮ್, ಚಲಾಕಿ ಗುರ್ರಾಮ್, ರಾಜಿ ಎಕ್ಕೆ ಚೀರಿ ಗುರ್ರಾಮ್.